In this tutorial video, you're going to learn how to change your Sanwa, or a lot of other joysticks use this as well, from 4-way to 8-way. What I'm doing here is there's just 4 clips. You just got to press them in and pull down, and that should come right off. And right here, to orientate yourself, you should see the word PC at the top of your little plastic piece here. And you can see now, if you look through the middle of this, that you can see that the joystick can only go up, down, left, right with this configuration. You'll also notice you have these 2 pins, one at about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and one at 4 o'clock. And what we're doing now is we're switching from a 4-way to an 8-way. So we're pulling towards ourselves, and then we're just moving those pins counterclockwise. So you'll see now they're at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. And you can see now it would allow the joystick to go upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right. So now to switch it from an 8-way back to a 4-way or vice versa, we're just we're pulling towards ourselves, and we moved it clockwise. So now it's back to that 10:30 and 4:30 position. And then it's that easy. It's just, you could switch between those 2 modes very easily. And then you're just going to push that back into place. It's just a click and you're done. So there you go. That's all you got to do. It's that simple. You can switch between them as many times as you want. I hope this was helpful to you. Enjoy.
All right. So between 4-way and 8-way.